Hello and welcome to this GameMaker tutorial video series. I'm Alex Ashton, and in this video we are playing Dragon Warrior because in this course we are learning how to create these turn-based JRPG inspired battles. And you can see that the game is currently waiting for me to take my turn because this is how this is going to work. Each player takes their turn, each participant in the battle rather. It's only going to be one player. And you can see that it's waiting for me to press the button. So we're not doing the hybrid, real-time, part turn-based things that later RPGs do. We're just creating a simple turn-based system. So I'm going to go ahead and press the fight button so that I can make my next point. You can see that the game has animations, and it's waiting for the animation and sound effects to finish before it moves on to the next turn. So I did my animation, and the slime got hurt. Then the slime took its turn and did its animation, and then when its animation finished, then the game gave me my turn. And that's the next thing we're going to create, is we're going to make it so that the game waits for animations before moving on to the next turn. It wouldn't be very attractive or very fun. It'd be very confusing if all the turns happened at once. So I'm going to go ahead and beat the slime so I can make my next point, and we can learn about the next thing that we're going to create. Alright, and we've beaten the slime here, and the game's going to give us our rewards. And you can see that it has put us right back where we were before the battle started. And that's one of the first things we're going to learn, is how to make it so that the game puts us back where we were. Actually, I don't think that's the first thing we're going to create. It's probably going to be near the end. But regardless, we're going to learn how to make it so that the game puts you right back where you were in the room before the battle started. And finally, one more thing, we're going to learn how to make it so that, just like that, whenever the game decides that we should be in a battle, it's going to randomly put us in one with maybe a different enemy or a different combination of enemies, like this Draki, however that's pronounced. So we're going to learn how to create turn-based battles. We're going to learn how to make the game wait for animations before giving on to the next turn. We're going to learn how to put the player back where they were before the battle started. And finally, we're going to learn how to make it so that the player gets into random battles as they walk around the environment, and into battles with different combinations of enemies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.